The ELO logo appears on a white background. Below it is the name of the innovative German brand with the highest customer loyalty. Raw chicken is shown being seasoned on a cutting board. The text, "Cook at home like the pros," and "Gourmet Plus" are displayed. The emblem of the German Design Award Special 2023 is shown. A gleaming ELO stainless steel pot designed for perfection sits in a kitchen. The camera flashes. The camera focuses on details and the pot's shape. The on-screen text reads, "ELO Premium Quality with a 6-year guarantee." The handle is shown, and the lower part of the image displays a beautifully shaped and ergonomic design for professionals. A tablespoon of oil is shown from above. The integrated oil dosing system, Oil Optimizer, is also displayed. The volume scale inside is shown. The text reads, "With integrated volume scale." Water is poured from the pot. The bottom reads, "Drip-proof pouring rim." The base of the pot appears. The message "Energy Saving" is displayed. The base features a heat-conducting battery with energy-conducting grooves. A graphic shows even heat distribution and cool handles. The text appears, "Even heat distribution. Handles remain cool." The lid is displayed. Below it is the text, "Perfectly fitting impact-resistant glass lid." The pot with the glass lid is presented. The image through the glass shows that you can always see your food while it's cooking. The pot is in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. The text reads, "Heat resistant." 5 pots are shown. The label below states, "Suitable for all stovetops, including induction." Golden brown pieces of roasted chicken are on the cutting board. The text, "Premium Perfect Cooking," appears.